Aquarius, destiny is calling your name. These 2 days, October 15th and 16th, 2025, hold something extraordinary for you. You may already feel it, that subtle pull in your soul, the sense that the universe is whispering secrets only you can hear. For you, Aquarius, the sign of innovation, independence, and higher purpose, this isn't just another astrological cycle. It's a cosmic checkpoint where fate takes the wheel and you can no longer ignore what's meant for you. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover 3 fated events you can't escape. Events designed by the universe to redirect, awaken, and empower you. These are not coincidences. They're divine alignments. So, take a deep breath, open your heart, and prepare to discover what destiny has already written in your name. Let's begin. Fated event number 1. The message you were meant to receive. Aquarius, between October 15th and 16th, the universe is preparing to send you a message you were always meant to receive, one that will change how you see everything. You may have been avoiding, overthinking, or doubting something for weeks, a decision, a connection, or an opportunity. But now, destiny steps in with unmistakable clarity. This message can appear in many forms: a sudden dream that feels too real to ignore, a text, call, or coincidence that repeats a question you've been asking silently, or even a random moment where someone unknowingly says exactly what your soul needed to hear. This isn't random. This is synchronicity, the universe aligning circumstances to guide you. You've been searching for answers like, should I move forward with this idea? Is this connection truly meant for me? Am I walking the right path? Over these 2 days, those answers will find you. But here's the twist. The universe won't explain it in logic. It will speak in intuition, signs, and feelings. And yes, your logical Aquarius mind, brilliant, analytical, always questioning, will try to reason it away. But fate doesn't need your analysis, it needs your trust. Spiritual meaning, Uranus, your ruling planet, activates your 3rd and 9th houses, the zones of communication and higher wisdom. This opens a bridge between your mind, heart, and the divine. You might experience chills when you hear certain words, see repeating numbers, or feel an inner click of recognition. That's not coincidence or anxiety. That's your soul remembering what it already knows. So when the message arrives, pause, feel it, trust it. You don't need to chase signs anymore, because you have become one. Universe's message for you. Stop searching for the sign. You are the sign. Your vibration is shifting, Aquarius. What's meant for you isn't lost. It's simply finding the right moment to appear. And that moment is now. Fated event number 2. The unexpected turn that frees you. Aquarius, between October 15th and 16th, life may suddenly throw you a curveball. Something you believed was steady could shift in an instant. It might be a plan falling apart, a delay, or even a truth being revealed that shakes your sense of stability. At first, it may feel like the ground beneath your feet is giving way, unsettling, confusing, even frightening. But here's the secret. This is not destruction. It's divine redirection. Your soul, Aquarius, did not come here to repeat old patterns or stay small. This unexpected twist is the universe's way of removing what no longer serves your growth or your higher path. You may lose a toxic connection that quietly drained your energy, a project or plan that limited your potential, or an illusion about what you thought would bring happiness. And yes, losing can feel scary, but what you gain is far greater: freedom, true, unfiltered, soul-level freedom. Spiritual meaning. Uranus, your ruling planet, is activating pure energy of change, liberation, and revolution. Sudden shifts aren't punishments, they are upgrades. They elevate your frequency, moving you closer to your authentic self. Sometimes the universe must shake your world so your spirit can finally break free. When this happens, do not resist. Instead, breathe, release, and say, "Thank you, universe, for showing me what I no longer need." Watch how quickly the void left behind fills with clarity, alignment, and opportunities that match your higher purpose. Universe's message for you. What falls apart now was never meant to hold your light. Aquarius, these 48 hours are not about loss. They are about liberation, expansion, and awakening. Trust the process. Trust yourself. The universe is clearing space for your next level of life, and this freedom is exactly what your soul has been waiting for. Step forward. Release fear. Embrace the unknown. Your destiny is waiting. Brighter, lighter, and more aligned than ever. Fated event number 3, the door to your destiny, opens Aquarius. We've arrived at the final and most transformative fated event, the moment when the universe literally opens a door for you. Around October 16th, something profound will emerge. It may not be loud, flashy, or obvious, but it will change everything. You'll feel it deep in your bones, that undeniable click that tells you, this is it. This is my path. This door might appear as a career or creative opportunity that aligns perfectly with your higher purpose, a connection that feels deeply familiar, almost like you've known them for lifetimes, or a sudden clarity that reshapes how you see yourself and your mission in life. This is destiny calling, Aquarius. For months, maybe years, you've been unconsciously moving toward this moment. Now, the universe swings the door wide open. But here's the truth. You have to walk through it. Destiny requires action, courage, and trust. If you hesitate, overthink, or let fear take hold, the opportunity may pass. But if you listen to your intuition and take that leap, you'll discover the universe has already laid the groundwork for your success. Spiritual meaning. This is your North Node energy activating, the part of your soul guiding you toward your ultimate life purpose. It's not about comfort or safety, it's about truth, alignment, and fulfillment. So, Aquarius, pay attention. Notice the subtle signs, the synchronicities, the nudges your heart gives. The door is open. The opportunity is real. Universe's message for you. The door is open, but only you can walk through. Step forward. Trust the timing. This moment is designed for you, Aquarius. Embrace it fully. Your destiny isn't waiting. It's already here, ready for your courage and belief to unlock it. Walk through. Step into your power. Your future, brighter, aligned, and limitless, begins now. Aquarius, the universe is working in powerful ways between October 15th and 16th, creating a cosmic environment that can accelerate your life like never before. Here's what's happening. The moon forms a trine with Uranus, your ruling planet, igniting intuitive sparks, sudden insights, and emotional downloads that feel almost like guidance from another realm. Mercury aligns with Neptune, heightening psychic awareness, dreams, and subtle messages. Pay attention to recurring numbers, phrases, or symbols. These are signs the universe is speaking directly to you. Mars pushes for bold action in your career, creative projects, or personal ambitions. This energy encourages you to step forward fearlessly, move toward opportunities you may have hesitated to pursue before. Venus harmonizes with your sign, blessing you with charm, magnetism, and emotional healing. Relationships, collaborations, and creative partnerships can benefit from this alignment, bringing more ease and flow into your life. This combination of energies is rare and potent, Aquarius. It explains why everything feels faster, more intense, or slightly unpredictable. The universe isn't punishing you, it's propelling you toward your higher purpose. These cosmic currents will test your adaptability, but they also highlight your greatest strength, your ability to see the bigger picture when others panic. You have the vision, the insight, and the courage to navigate these shifts gracefully. Universe's message: everything is moving in your favor. Trust the timing, trust yourself, and allow the flow of cosmic energy to guide your next steps. Embrace these 2 days fully. The stars are aligned for breakthroughs, awakenings, and new opportunities designed just for you. Guidance: how to flow with destiny. Aquarius, these 2 fated days are your chance to align with destiny if you know how to flow with the cosmic currents. Here's your guide. 1. Don't ignore signs, songs, numbers, or messages that repeat are not coincidences. Pause, notice, and trust your higher self is sending guidance in real time. 2. Trust endings. When something closes in your life, release it with gratitude. It's not rejection, it's redirection toward what truly belongs to you. 3. Say yes to intuition, even if it doesn't make logical sense. Follow that subtle inner nudge. Logic catches up later. Intuition leads first. 4. Ground yourself. Spend time near water, under the night sky, or in quiet reflection. Your energy field is expanding. Staying centered ensures you don't get swept away by sudden shifts. 5. Affirm your alignment. Say aloud under the moonlight, I trust the timing of my destiny. What's meant for me will never miss me. Feel your soul respond. It recognizes truth instantly. Aquarius, flow is key. The universe is ready to guide, nudge, and open doors. All you have to do is listen, trust, and step forward. These 2 days are a cosmic opportunity to move with ease, clarity, and alignment. Step boldly. Destiny is waiting for you. Aquarius Destiny Message. Aquarius, you are the visionary of the Zodiac. You're not here to fit into old systems or follow paths that others expect. You're here to reimagine, innovate, and transform. That's why your journey often feels unpredictable, even lonely at times. But every sudden shift, every unexpected ending, every cosmic nudge is guiding you toward your highest self. The universe is whispering, you've outgrown the version of yourself that settled for less. October 15th to 16th is your rebirth window, a time when old limitations fall away and new possibilities open before you. Don't chase. Allow things to come to you. Don't fear. Trust in the divine timing. Don't cling. Let go and evolve into your fullest potential. During these 2 days, you are stepping into a chapter where your voice matters and your ideas inspire others. Your energy heals, uplifts, and attracts abundance. Your intuition and creativity guide your next big move. Aquarius, the universe is aligning events, people, and opportunities to support your growth. You've been preparing for this moment, and now it's here. A chance to step fully into your power. Trust yourself. Trust the timing. The path may feel unpredictable, but every twist, turn, and shift is leading you exactly where you're meant to be. Step forward boldly, Aquarius. This is your time to shine, to lead, and to embrace the destiny that the universe has been quietly preparing just for you. Practical manifestation, ritual. Aquarius, if you want to align deeply With the powerful fated energy of October 15th to 16th, this simple manifestation ritual can help you tune into your destiny. Step 1. Light a blue candle. On the night of October 15th, light a blue candle, a symbol of truth, clarity, and divine guidance. Let its flame anchor your intention and focus your mind. Step 2. Write your intentions. Take a pen and paper and write down 3 things you are ready to release. Anything blocking your growth or holding you back. Then write 3 things you wish to manifest. Opportunities, guidance, or experiences aligned with your higher path. Step 3. Speak your words aloud. Hold the paper close and say, "I release what no longer serves my divine timeline. I open my path to miracles meant for me." Then, safely burn the paper and allow the ashes to drift away, symbolizing the release of what no longer belongs in your life. Why this works? This simple ritual sends a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to let go, ready to receive, and ready to step into your next chapter. Aquarius, the power isn't in the candle or the paper. It's in your intention, focus, and belief. By committing to this small act, you align your energy with the cosmic flow, amplifying clarity, intuition, and manifestation. Remember, the universe responds when your heart, mind, and actions are in harmony. Take this moment to release, trust, and welcome the miracles already waiting for you. Aquarius, destiny isn't something chasing you. It's something calling you. It's the quiet, persistent voice in your heart that whispers, "You were made for more." These next 2 days, October 15th to 16th, are your cosmic realignment point. You'll receive messages that feel like they were meant just for you. You'll face shifts and changes that might feel sudden or unsettling, and you'll step into opportunities that seem almost pre-written in the stars. But here's the truth. Whatever happens, it's not punishment. It's preparation. You are not losing anything real, only illusions that no longer serve you. You are not being punished. You are being elevated. You are not falling apart. You are falling perfectly into alignment. The universe is generous. It never takes without giving more in return. Every ending, every nudge, every twist is designed to move you closer to your higher self. So, Aquarius, trust the process. Step boldly. Listen to your intuition. Let the cosmic flow carry you toward your destiny. Before you go, if this message resonated with you, subscribe to the channel to stay connected with your daily cosmic guidance. And comment below. Share which fated event you feel most drawn to, or what the universe is nudging you toward this week. Your story could inspire others on their journey. Remember, your destiny isn't waiting somewhere far away. It's already here, calling your name. Answer it. Step into it. Shine in it. Aquarius, the next 48 hours could change everything. Don't let fear hold you back. Your cosmic journey starts now.